ABCs of First Year Teaching by Cassidy Cook and Morgan Long.
A is for aha moments. We have learned that seeing a kid's face light up when they have an aha moment during the lesson is one of the best parts of teaching.
B is for brain breaks. Brain breaks are crucial in order to have a successful classroom learning environment.
C is for collaboration. Collaborating with your coworkers and teammates make life a lot easier and is necessary.
D is for double the chocolate. You guys know what I mean.
E is for endless hours.
F is for funny moments. Like when you're getting a new student named Drake, and one student says, "Oh my gosh, Drake the Rapper is coming," and then being severely disappointed that in fact the new student is not Drake the Rapper.
G is for growing. Whether it's your students' heights or your teaching abilities, everyone in the classroom is growing somehow.
H is for hugs and high fives.
I is for ingenuity. Being creative and quick on your feet is an important trait to have.
J is for janitors are your best friend.
K is for Kagan.
L is for loving every child no matter what.
M is for Mondays. They're the worst.
N is for never give up. Even if it doesn't go as planned, always try again.
O is for open-mindedness.
P is for perfection is not possible.
Q is for quiet time. Quiet time is necessary. Hearing your name 20 times an hour is not healthy for anyone. You need this.
R is for rewind button. We all wish we had one after a horrible lesson.
S is for Skittles. Kids will do anything for a Skittle.
T is for time commitment.
U is for understanding that everyone is different.
V is for Velcro. Velcro should be a shoe requirement in K through 3.
W is for winging it.
X is for X-ray vision. We wish we had it to see through things like pockets or desks.
Y is for yet. We aren't perfect teachers yet. We are still growing as educators and will be for years to come.
Z is for zombies. What everyone feels like at the end of a long day.
Overall, there are some things we have learned. We have almost survived a first year of teaching. It hasn't been easy, but it has been worth it.
Thanks for watching.